How to make your eyelashes naturally longer. Hey, Glow Glitters. All right, so you're tired of the fake lash struggle, huh? Or maybe mascara's just not cutting it anymore? Well, worry no more, because today I'm gonna show you how to make your eyelashes longer naturally, without gluing anything to your lids. And guess what? We've got some of the best remedies for those lashes that'll have you blinking like a pro in no time. You're about to unlock some eyelash magic, so get ready to bat those lashes like never before. Let's dive in. Do oils help your eyelashes grow? Olive oil helps moisturize and condition your lashes. Dip a cotton swab into a bottle of pure olive oil. Wash and dry your lashes, then gently swipe the oil on, being careful not to get it in your eyes. Leave it on overnight and wash it off in the morning for soft, fuller-looking lashes. Castor oil can also moisturize and condition your lashes. Wash your eyelids and pat them dry with a towel. Dip a cotton swab or a clean mascara wand into the castor oil, then brush it onto your lashes. Leave the oil on overnight for healthy, thick lashes. How do you manually stimulate eyelash growth? Comb your eyelashes with a clean spoolie. Grab a spoolie or a mascara wand and wash it off with soap and water until it's completely clean. Before you head to bed, brush through your lashes for a few minutes to promote blood flow to the area and, hopefully, make your lashes grow longer. Massage your eyelids. After you take your makeup off, put a warm washcloth over your eyelids for 1 to 2 minutes. Wash your hands and dab 1 to 2 drops of olive oil onto your fingertips. Gently massage your eyelids for 3 to 5 minutes, then wipe off the oil before washing your hands again. What lifestyle changes can I make to grow my eyelashes? Eat a healthy diet to support strong, healthy lashes. Focus on fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins for essential vitamins and minerals. Salmon. Omega-3s for shiny, full hair. Greek yogurt, vitamin B, 5 boosts blood flow and thickness. Spinach, packed with vitamin A, iron and vitamin C for moisture and strength. Citrus and guava, vitamin C to prevent breakage. Meats, cereals, leafy greens, rich in iron to support growth. Lean protein, essential for hair growth. Low protein can stop hair growth. Which products help your eyelashes grow? Use a lash serum to boost eyelash growth. Apply it nightly to extend the growth phase. Results usually show in about a month. Look for biotin in the ingredients. Great for hair, skin, and nails. Lash serums work better than mascaras that claim to promote growth. Does petroleum jelly make your eyelashes grow? No, but it can make your eyelashes softer and stronger. Petroleum jelly is sometimes recommended as a treatment for eyelashes, and while it can help moisturize them, it probably won't make them grow super long. If you'd like to use petroleum jelly on your eyelashes, clean your eyelid area with a mild cleanser and pat it dry. Dip a cotton swab into the petroleum jelly and apply it to your lashes, being careful not to get it in your eye. Do this every night for the best results. How do I protect my lashes from breakage? Don't pull or tug on your lashes. For the most part, you should try to touch your lashes as little as possible throughout the day. Pulling on them can really cause breakage, and it might make your eyelashes look a little thin. Curl your lashes carefully. If you like to curl your lashes, gently place an eyelash curler on top of your lashes as close to your lash line as you can. Squeeze the curler shut, but don't pump the curler. That can damage your eyelashes and make them prone to breakage. When you're done squeezing, move halfway down your lashes and squeeze the curler again. Take off your makeup every night. Use a gentle remover for mascara and eyeshadow, then wash your face with a mild cleanser. Leaving mascara on can dry out your lashes. If you wear false lashes, clean them after each use. For lash lifts, apply a lash conditioner daily. To make your eyelashes appear longer naturally without oils, you can try a few homemade remedies that focus on nourishing, strengthening, and enhancing their growth. Here are some options. Green tea is rich in antioxidants and can promote hair growth. How to use? Brew a cup of green tea, let it cool, and then dip a clean cotton swab into the tea. Gently apply it to your lashes before bed. Leave it overnight and rinse in the morning. Aloe vera gel is known for its healing properties and can help nourish and strengthen eyelashes. How to use? Apply a small amount of pure aloe vera gel to your eyelashes with a clean mascara wand before bed. Leave it on overnight and wash it off in the morning. Lemon peel and aloe vera. The combination of lemon peel rich in vitamin C and aloe vera can stimulate hair growth. How to use? Blend lemon peel with aloe vera gel to make a paste. Apply it to your lashes, leave it for 10 to 15 minutes, and wash it off. Coconut milk can condition the lashes, promoting stronger, longer lashes. How to use? Apply a small amount of coconut milk to your lashes with a cotton ball before bedtime. Wash it off the next morning. And there you have it. Now your lashes are looking like they've been through a growth spurt. Just remember, no mascara is safe from this newfound lash game. Your lashes are basically the VIPs of the beauty world now. Go on, bat 'em and make some heads turn. Until next time, keep those lashes fluttering.